Kung nag-iisip ka ng pwedeng pagkakitaan or maging investment, maaaring ang unang isipin mo ay magkaroon ng sariling business or baka naman kaya ay may sariling paupahan ka na gusto mong ipatayo. Pero paano kung meron ka lamang limited budget? Ano kaya ang pwedeng alternatives dito? Watch this video to learn more and I'll share to you how you can get started. Hi everyone, this is Morgan De Guzman from Rambert Financials. Alam nyo ba na may paraan para maging part owner ng mga negosyo at properties nang hindi mo kailangang magtayo ng sariling kumpanya o bumili ng real estate property? Ang sagot? Stock market trading or stock trading. Kapag bumili ka ng stocks, nagiging part owner ka ng kumpanya. Halimbawa, kapag bumili ka ng shares ng SM, BDO, Jollibee, BPI, Globe, or kung anumang kumpanya, para ka na ring may-ari ng maliliit na bahagi ng mga kumpanyang ito. Ang stocks ang pinakamaliit na unit that represents ownership sa isang negosyo or corporation. Kadalasan na nag-i-issue o nagbebenta ng stocks ang isang kumpanya sa public through an initial public offering or IPO upang mas mapalawak at mas mapalago pa ang kumpanya. Halimbawa, ikaw ay isang business owner at gusto mong mag-expand ng negosyo. Pwede kang mag-list ng iyong shares ng iyong kumpanya at ibenta ito kapalit ng capital. Ang mga bumibili ng stocks or tinatawag na stockholders naman ngayon ay magkakaroon ng part ownership and potential future earnings and valuation sa negosyo mo. Kaya kung ikaw ay bibili ng stocks ng Jollibee or SM, ikaw ay bumibili ng portions at ikaw ay magkakaroon ng part ownership ng dalawang corporation na ito. If you want to know more about stocks and the stock market, we have videos na pwede mong panoorin to get started. We link it down below sa description box for your reference. Habang lumalaki ang kita at halaga ng kumpanya, tumataas din ang value ng stocks mo. Pwede mo rin itong ibenta later at kumita mula sa price appreciation. Kung interesado ka naman sa real estate, pero ayaw mong ma-stress o mahirapan sa property management, pwede kang mag-invest sa Real Estate Investment Trust o REITs tulad ng E-REIT ng Ayala, RCR ng Robinsons Land, at M-REIT ng Mega World. Sa REITs, nagiging part owner ka ng prime properties tulad ng malls, office buildings, at hotels nang hindi mo kailangan mag-manage ng mga ito. Ang kita ay galing sa mga rental income at bahagi nito ay binibigay sa iyo bilang dividends o dividendo. Para kang may rental property pero walang hassle ng pagiging landlord. REITs gives ordinary Filipinos the earnings potential of real estate properties like commercial buildings, office spaces, and malls without really owning pieces of real estate. REIT investing works very similar to buying and selling regular stocks. Ang pinagkaiba nga lang is you are buying shares of listed companies na may hawak at may direct involvement in managing commercial and industrial real estate. They pay regular dividends to investors and very much like real estate investments, you can expect regular cash flows. Gumagawa ang mga pinakamalalaking real estate companies sa Pilipinas ng kanilang version of REITs at nilalagay nila dito ang ilan sa kanilang mga properties. When an investor buys shares of their REITs, kasali na ang mga investors sa earning potential ng mga REITs using the rental income that its properties generate. For example, Ayala Land, one of the biggest land developers sa ating bansa. They created a REIT, the first ever REIT in the country. If you want to know more about REITs, we have a playlist of videos na pwede mong panoorin to get started. We link it down sa description box below for your reference. Bakit naman mas maganda ang stocks at REITs kaysa magtayo ng sariling negosyo o bumili ng physical property? Unang-una, mas abot kaya kasi hindi mo na kailangan ng malaking capital para makapagsimula. Pangalawa, syempre, mas simple at less risky kasi hindi mo kailangang i-manage yung operations o maghanap ng tenants para sa property mo. Pangatlo, passive income. May regular na kita ka mula sa dividends. Under the REIT Act of 2009, REITs must pay at least 90% of their distributable annual income as dividends to shareholders. At susunod, highly liquid. Mas madaling ibenta ang stocks at REITs kaysa sa physical assets tulad ng bahay o lupa. Paano nga ba makapagsimula at makakasali sa stock trading? Para makabili at makabenta ng stocks o REITs, kailangan mo ng licensed stockbroker. Ang broker ang mag-execute ng orders mo sa Philippine Stock Exchange. Isa sa pinaka-reliable na broker ay ang MyTrade PH, ang online trading arm ng Abacus Securities Corporation. Sino nga ba si MyTrade? If you've been here with Ramber for the longest time, you probably already heard about MyTrade. Ang Abacus Securities Corporation ay may higit 30 years na sa industriya bilang isang traditional brokerage house at member ng PSE or Philippine Stock Exchange. Kilala ito sa stability, professionalism, at customer care. Ang MyTrade ang digital at innovative platform ng Abacus. Sila ay tumutulong sa libo-libong investors na maabot ang kanilang financial freedom at long-term gains. Bilang isa sa mga leading online stock brokers sa Pilipinas, MyTrade is an award-winning platform at nagsisilbing digital arm ng Abacus Securities na isang subsidiary ng publicly listed company na First Abacus Financial Holdings. Going back, what's great with MyTrade is they have products and services na hindi lang para sa seasoned traders but also for beginners. So kahit na bago ka pa lang sa stock market and you want to venture in this type of investment, MyTrade PH has the perfect plan for you. Kung exposed ka na sa stock trading and you already have a sound knowledge about it, Mate or MyTrade account for trading enthusiasts is the perfect account for you. The good news is, you can already start for as low as 10,000 pesos na capital. Pero Morgan, paano naman kung gusto kong mag-invest sa stock market pero limited to zero knowledge pa lang ang meron ako? Huwag po kayong mag-alala. For starting investors, MyTrade PH offers MARGE, which stands for MyTrade's Affordable Retirement Guide. And what's even better about it is that you can already start your journey with MARGE for as low as 5,000 pesos. This is designed to turn beginners into seasoned traders. We break the barriers between the common Filipino masses investing in the stock market. Very easy to understand and an affordable opportunity for people to start investing for a better tomorrow. I know all of you are excited to take the first step for a better tomorrow. Kaya naman, I will share 5 easy steps on how to open your MyTrade account. Unang-una, register online. All you need to do is go to www.ramber.mytrade.com.ph where you can see the forms that you need. Pangalawa, sign the forms. Complete and sign all the required documents. Number 3, submit forms and valid IDs. Send the signed forms and IDs to Ramber Financials. At pang-apat, wait for email confirmation. Once all forms are validated, you will receive confirmation via email. Number 5, fund your account. You can now fund your MyTrade account and start trading. Since nabanggit din natin kanina that MyTrade has ahead of the curve research, isa-isayin natin kung ano nga bang mga reports ang pwede nyo makuha once you are already a MyTrade client. Unang-una, nandyan yung daily news, short takes, fast break, investment summary, super timer, this is focused on technical analysis, Marge Jukebox, exclusive for Marge clients. Take note that these research materials are curated by Abacus Securities Research Team, spearheaded by one of Asia's best stock pickers, Mr. Nicky Franco. Among them is the Philippines' first chartered market technician, Mr. Lawrence Gonzaga, who also provides the Super Timer report focused on the technical analysis of PSEI and other companies on their radar. MyTrade also offers live sessions na makakatulong to keep you updated sa mga nangyayari sa market and will teach you more about its fundamentals as well as how to navigate their platform once na isa ka ng MyTrade client. Once you've signed up, pwede ka ring sumali sa MyTrade Map community sa Facebook kung saan nagsesend sila ng daily updates and they will also answer your questions or your inquiries. With MyTrade, they really want to connect with their clients and their goal is to also communicate with new and aspiring traders. letting them know na hindi dapat sila matakot sa pag-i-invest sa stock market. The right partner will certainly guide you to help you get your winning trades. So again, if this video made you interested about investing in the stock market, you can already open an account by visiting www.ramper.mytrade.com.ph at pwede nyo rin kaming padalhan ng email through info@ramper.com to answer more of your questions about MyTrade. For our next video, we will have our friends from MyTrade mismo para mag-guide tayo papaano ba ang step-by-step guide on how to open a MyTrade trading account. Kayo mga ka-RFF, are you interested in investing in the stock market? We here at Ramper Financials are committed to help guide you in achieving your financial goals sa pamamagitan ng mga educational videos and materials and also the best options for you to get started. With Ramper, we help you to take your simple steps to wealth creation towards the fulfillment of your life's goals and dreams. And should you have any questions or any reactions regarding this video, please kindly post it in the comment section below. We want to hear from you mga ka-RFF. Feel free to also like and share this video to your family and friends. Mas maraming nakakaalam ng video na ito, mas marami kaming matutulungan. And if hindi ka pa subscriber sa aming channel, please do so para updated kayo sa mga latest videos na ilalabas namin. Again mga ka-RFF, this is Morgan De Guzman and thank you very much for watching and see you in our next video.